Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Another Ethiopian recipe today. Today we're going to do some green beans and carrots, or fasoliya. Green beans are called fasoliya. Very, very easy, but delicious. Very few ingredients. Now, again, if you've been watching before, I'm going to use my limited, and it is limited, Amharic, which is the national language of Ethiopia, to explain some names of some of the things that we're going to be using. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. Before I get started, just to let you know, all of the amounts of everything are going to be in the text below. So we've got some green beans, French beans or long beans, whatever you call them, carrots, onions, turmeric, garlic, and fresh chili. So in Amharic that would be carrot, the word for carrot is carrot, fasoliya, shinkut, NECH shinkut, and kariya. So there's a couple of ways that you can cook this. You can go straight to the pan and cook them straight away like that, or what you can do is, what I'm going to do today is we're going to fry the beans and the carrots first. We're going to get them in some oil and fry them, and then we're going to get it all together. Okay, so I've got some oil here. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can be using anything you want really, and I'm just going to drop in our beans or fasoliya. I'm going to cook them just for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to do the same with the carrots. Okay, so as you can see, or you've just seen me, just fried those a few minutes. Like I say, some people won't do that process, they'll go straight in with them raw. I prefer to do it this way. Let's get back to the cooker. So we're back at the cooker. I'm using the same pan, reduced the oil down 90%, got a little bit of oil in there now. The word for oil in Amharic is ZEIT. I'm going to drop in our onion or shinkut. I just want to cook these for about 3 to 4 minutes, then I'll be back. Okay, super stuff. We're now going to add in our garlic or NECH shinkut. So onions are shinkut, garlic is NECH shinkut, which means white onion. A little bit of salt in there. And then our turmeric, or in Amharic, Again, another 3 or 4 minutes, keeping it moving all the time now. So easy, this dish. Right, next up, let's get in our carrots and our green beans or fasoliya. And we're going to go for about another 4 minutes, and we're pretty much done. Okay, off goes the heat. Beautiful. Got my chilies there. Cut them down, slip them down long ways. In they go. One mix. And this really simple, beautiful carrots and green beans is done. So easy. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. I'm a Saganalo.